Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, enough of the heavy philosophical stuff. We're going to get back to basics on this video. Now I want to show you guys what I got here real briefly. I'm going to make this a roll-in special in 40. But it's actually going to be 357 SIG. I got the conversion barrel. So I got the X300. Now the only thing to consider is a compensator. I'm looking at some things for that. But that's not what this video is about. This is about my quick, light, TSA approved travel EDC / go kit. So doing a quick trip back to Arizona. Gonna bring my laptop, digital Nomad vibes, right? You guys know me, digital Nomad. When I'm not digging holes and getting covered in cement and getting splinters, I am trying to make more money on the internet, like you should be too. Okay, so you know another thing I mention a lot, but I never show you guys is the Bone Traveler money kit. So that's actually something that I say you want to get a travel kit. I don't know if you can really see it. I wear this every day. I've been wearing this every day for like 2-3 years now. It really just conforms to my body. It's all leather. It's pretty cool. Right, but this is what I say, this is your true EDC, because your EDC in any emergency is whatever you have on you. So let me just kind of show, I mean, like, dude, literally, this is what I got. So I got passport, right? I don't want to, like, give away too much security here. So let me just, okay, I have a passport card, well, cash, right? And then I have this attorneys on retainer card. I told you guys I've been part of that before it was called attorneys on retainer. So I have prepaid legal defense. I have my AAA card here, and then I have my passport card here. I don't really want to show that. So, and then I also added this treasure. So this is a treasure. This is a crypto cold storage wallet. Now, because I'm going to travel to the airport, I'm probably going to put this in the backpack anyways. But I just want to show you guys, like, it's legit. Like, this is legit my EDC, like, thing. This is, like, my emergency kit, you know, and, like, I think those are good basics. I started putting this in there. I don't know. Like, I don't know if it, like, really it helps or not. But, like, sure, I guess. Because I have about $5,000 worth of crypto right now saved just in this cold storage wallet. This is Treasure, I believe. This is a Treasure Safe 3. So something you guys might want to look into. I'm just going to quickly put this back in. You know, also too, when you're traveling, airport, TSA, you got to take off your shoes. I got sneakers on, right? Like you gotta really, what's it called? You gotta really kind of be prepared for that whole vibe, that whole experience. But, yep, you know, I just throw it in my backpack here. Got my bleeding control kit. I probably will not bring the respirator. I usually do that. I'm just gonna end up throwing a bunch of, underwear, socks, maybe one more pair of pants and a t-shirt or two. I'm going to my parents' house, so I have some clothes there. You know, it's fine. You know, here's my axles. These are my axle Bluetooth in-ear. And also these have active hearing protection, so these are also good in case, like, in case stuff goes down, right? Like, you got your hearing already protected, even if you're just listening to tunes or whatever, listen to your podcast. So, oops, looks like the thing just fell off on that. So I just wanted to put another video out there for you guys. Get away from some of the heavier stuff, go back to basics. I know this is what everybody loves to see. Tell me what you bring in your TSA kit. You know, oh, well, I gotta add some toiletries, right? Maybe some deodorant, toothbrush, Q-tips, you know, travel size stuff is great for that. That's also stuff that can just be purchased when you get to your destination, you know. So yeah, just wanted to put that together for you guys. Oh, you know what? Can't forget the Apple Watch. All right? So we'll check you later, man. Take care.